Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Nigga. Okay. Man, no. Stop that, bro. I don't even want that beat, bro. You already know, man. Drop this beat real quick for the peoples, man. Yeah. I'm gonna talk about you snitches, man. Yeah. I said snitch. Huh. Keep snitching, nigga. Gon' catch a clip. Dead ain't in the bit. Got 20 bricks. Laying out dicks in the backyard. Dairy beef, bitch. Yeah. Wanna be a snitch? Better catch a clip. Niggas know the dip. You niggas know the real. You know the for real. And I'm for real. You niggas know the deal. Snitch. Wanna be a snitch? Better catch a clip. Wanna be a snitch? Better catch a clip. Wanna be a snitch? Stab you in your heart and then you catch a clip. After this shot, you ain't gon' survive. Police gon' be like, man, that gun was just a survivor. I'm a survivor. That nigga's a niner. I don't carry nines. My guns are so heavy. Freddy, Mr. Monteri. You niggas know the deal. You niggas not for real. For me, 10 o'clock p.m. for real. Niggas know me. Upload me. Mr. Money Man, 1, 2, 3 state sign out. You boys already know me. I'm Bing Bong. Had him on the top, getting money never got them Glocks. Niggas not stopped. Huh? Wanna be a snitch? You better catch a clip. Wanna be a bitch? You better throw them hands. You better throw them grams up on the table. Be like money man. Snitch. Wanna be a snitch? You gon' catch my clip. And when you catch my clip, you niggas gon' just snitch. You niggas don't snitch. Cause if you snitch, I'ma kill you and your bitch.